Welcome to Mum's Cooking Corner. Today we're going to be making Traffic Light Biscuits. First, get your ingredients. You will need 300 grams of digestive biscuits, 300 grams of dark chocolate, 125 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, and Smarties. Next, break up the chocolate and put it into a microwaveable bowl with the butter and the golden syrup. Microwave for 2 minutes. After that, in a large bowl, crush the digestive biscuits with a rolling pin. Carefully take the microwaveable bowl out of the microwave. Stir all the melted ingredients until well mixed. Then pour the chocolate mixture onto the crushed digestive biscuits and mix together. Carefully spoon the mixture into rectangular moulds. You could spoon the mixture into one large baking tray and cut it up when cooled if you don't have individual moulds. Then add the Smarties for decoration. To make traffic light biscuits, you will need to put 1 red, 1 orange and 1 green Smartie on each rectangle. As you only get so many red, orange and green Smarties in a packet, some of the biscuits can be disco light biscuits instead. When you have finished decorating them, put the biscuits into the fridge for at least half an hour to set. Thanks for watching this video, and if you try this out yourself, send us your pictures at Mum's Cooking Corner on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.